Hey, talk to me now. I love answering those emails, and I think I'm getting an opportunity to do one right this moment. A young Adam sent me an email asking about some projects that I had done in the shop and the base platform that I built them off of. Man, I'm more than happy to share that with you, Adam. I'm always happy to answer questions about things you may see in my shop. And if you see something in the background gets your attention, hey, drop me an email, leave a comment. But young Adam, he had a question about building his wash system and the platform he was starting with, and he had his pump and he had his engine and he had all that, but he didn't have a base. An aluminum plate. Right there. Adam, this is what I was talking about. A plate like this. It's 22 inches long and giving you 11¼ inches width. 22, 11¼ and it's got a versatile mounting plate on it. That'll adapt to different engine configurations. I put a lot of those, I ain't gonna say a lot, I put quite a few of those the GX200s on there, 160s, the little Predator platform, they fit on there great. Larger engines like the GX390, 630, and 690, they'll bolt right up on there. Hey, just cause it'll fit on there don't mean I'd put that size engine on here. Good little old platform to build on, but that's a lot of weight for them other engines. Do they bolt on there? And I've been asked, yeah. Have I done it? Yeah. Don't do it. I mean, you can, and it'll be okay. Oh man, for a little while. So the short and the sweet of it, yeah. Did a big motor go on there? Yes, sir. She'll bolt right on here. Would it do it? No. I put them GX200s on here all day long and I love it. So do they fit? Yeah, they fit. Man, I just don't think I'd put an engine of that size on this particular plate. There's other options for that, and we can talk about that at another time. But all in all, if you got a project that you need a skid platform for, and it falls within that engine platform that we spoke of, there's a good little old skid. I reckon the next thing you're gonna wanna know is where to get it. Well, it's right down there below. We'll see y'all next time. If y'all happen to have any questions about anything that you ever see around the shop that you got questions about, drop me a line. We'll see y'all.